Hi, it's me. Hello, it's me.
And me!
And him.
And I'm alive!
So today is Christmas Eve and I want to wish you Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas and holidays. And I just want to say that this year was a wonderful, wonderful year. I've met lots of wonderful people. I received lots of love and I was trying to give as much love as I can. I received also wonderful gifts and plants which I will enjoy many years. Also, this is the last video I have for you guys in 2018, and I will start next year with Expo. So thank you so much for joining me this year, and I hope we will enjoy the next year together too. So spend your time wisely, just give love. This is all we need. I have a few people who want to say Merry Christmas to you too from different channels. So here they are.
Wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Yay! Goody goody.
This is the Deadly Tarantula Girl wanting to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying Collection of Unseen Nature. Make sure and have a Merry Christmas and check out the link in the description box below. See ya!
Hello to Nelly in Sweden from Rachel here at Gardening at Douentza in Ireland. I wish you a very happy Christmas and a wonderful new year. Bye!
Hi everyone, Karolina's Tarantulas here, wishing you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas and Good Jul. I hope you guys have an awesome time and take care guys, and there will be a link below with my name, so check it out guys. Bye!
Hi, this is Ruthie from Ruthie's Succulent Obsession. Hey Nelly, you're alive! I just wanted to wish you, your subscribers, and my subscribers as well a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays all around. May your life be blessed with plants, love, health, wealth, and all your heart's desires. I want to thank you all for your support. You know you guys rock. This has been an amazing journey so far, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Thank you for everything. Till next time, bye!
Hey everyone, it's Tarantula Kat and we are wishing you happy holidays and a happy new year. Thank you so much, Nelly, for asking me to do this. Your channel is awesome. If you're not familiar with me, you can check out my channel. The link is going to be down below. See ya!
Hello, it's me.
Hi, Spiderwoman here from Portsmouth, UK. Just like to say hello on Collection of Unseen Nature's channel, and wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care everyone, bye!
Hi! It's us! It's us from ZooGiganten Jäger in Malmö. We just want to wish you a great Christmas and some happy holidays. We also want to thank you for an amazing year. It has been so much fun. And we hope to see you next year. På svenska, god jul och gott nytt år från oss på ZooGiganten Jäger i Malmö. Det har varit ett fantastiskt år och vi har verkligen haft jätteroligt. Och nästa år kommer att bli ännu bättre. Välkomna då.
Hey Nelly, it's Vic from Spydey Vee. Just a short message to say Happy Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your family. Let's not forget all of our subscribers as well, because without them we wouldn't have channels. So to all of the subscribers out there, Happy Christmas, Merry New Year, and be safe.
Hi, we wish you a Merry Christmas from Kakteenhaage in Germany. Andrew with Andrew's Exotics. First of all, I want to congratulate Nelly with her 100th video. It's really awesome to have so many videos. I'm not there yet. Second of all, Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year.
Hi gorgeous, how are you doing? First of all, congrats for the 100 videos that you have already uploaded to YouTube. Keep spreading the awesomeness through your videos. We need you in the plant community. Merry Christmas to you, to your hubby, to all of your pets. Merry Christmas to all of your subscribers. I'm sending you all my love. Be happy, of course, and I love you a lot. Many kisses from Greece.
Hey everyone, Tanner here of SerpaDesign, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays if you celebrate, and take care.
Hi, Tarantulas with Shanti here, wishing you a happy festive season, a Merry New Year, a wonderful Christmas. Thank you to my friend Nelly for this opportunity to say hello.
Hello guys, it's me Zane from Zane's Wildflora, and first of all, I'm just really excited to be here. I mean, not in this room. I mean on this channel, and that's the tea, sis. And second of all, I'm wishing to all of you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and basically Merry everything. And yeah, sending my positive growing plant energy whatevers. So yeah, I think that's all. Bye.
Hello! Oh. I have some identification question for you. In this corner.
Hey guys, hi, it's me.
Much. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.
Oh, darling. Oh. Oh, I'm so tired.
Busy, busy. Lemon squeezy. See you soon. Oh, she's so amazing. 4 trays flowers. I'm sorry. I don't think he's happy. You can open my packet. I know you like it. Can I open your packet? Yes, I know you want to. Hello, it's me. I'm alive. So cute. Even though it's roaches, I don't know. I find them very cute. Hello. Good morning. I'm alive. And he's too. Oh, look what a specimen. I think it's my boyfriend.
Ja, ja.
Ska du bära bort honom?
Nej. Absolut. Ja,
ser du?
Visst.
I see you next time. Bye!
Hello.
And the summer is here. Bye! So tell me, how was your day? Was it good? So pretty. Isn't she pretty? Stuff. Lots of stuff. Not lots of stuff, but big stuff. Oh Jesus. Då faller
Du har plats i den här stan, det vet du väl?
What's up? I'm gonna go and shoot people on the streets. Film something. Probably. Or not. I will try.
Påminner om sånt. Vad heter det?
What? Det gjorde jag visst inte. Det här du.
Inte nu.
And it's weekend again. Hello. And I'm back. Can you see anything? Isn't that better? Oh.
Just to assure you, this won't hurt.
Hi. Hey Corina, this is for you. So this is my setup for my Christmas video, and this is my cartoon background. But I realized that I cut one piece from for my picture. This is how I have lights. They are kind of pointed down, as you can see. Camera is pointing a little bit down. So as you can see, I sit straight with relaxed shoulders, and practically I push my head a little bit forward to make it kind of one piece on the same level with my rest of the body. Point a little bit forward and your face will be normal looking, not distorted. And I have it pointed a little bit down to make it more natural looking video. So straight, relaxed shoulders, chin forward and a little bit down, and you will be good. And the camera a little bit above, or not above, but on the eye level. If you see my eyes kind of going straight to the lens. So that's a good. I think this is the best position for filming, when you have a lens on your eye level. And when you look at the TV shows and stuff, and they sometimes show behind the scenes, the camera is always on the eye level, so, you know, so it's like this. Yay! So this is how I do it.